Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to save a project. Um, this works the same whether you've just recorded and you have one little media file down here, or whether you've thrown pictures in and callouts in and you have a bunch of different files, okay? So I'm going to actually use the one I just made, which was the video on callouts, and save that one so you guys can see how it's done. So once I'm satisfied with whatever's over here, once I'm satisfied with my project, I've played it, I've checked it over, I've made sure I've got everything I want, and I'm ready for this to be saved. Um, it's fairly easy to do, okay? So first, I like to save it and do save as, okay? And I will save it somewhere as a Camtasia project. When you select Save As and Create Standalone Project, I like doing the Create Standalone Project because it lets you share it. But when you use Save As in this program, it's going to save it as a Camtasia project. I think that's really valuable because when you save this as a Camtasia project, like when I voice over PowerPoints, I always save as a Camtasia project before I do anything else, before I add callouts or effects, because if you save it as a Camtasia project, then you can go back and edit it. If you save it as something else, if you only save your MP4 or you add all of your callouts and then save it, it's harder to get rid of some of those things. So I would go ahead and save your project early on when you've got your video, or you've got your video and your sound, okay, and save that as a Camtasia project. I would name it up here, and I've already saved it as that, so I'm going to just cancel out of there. So once you have it saved as a Camtasia project, then you also need to save it as a format that you can use within your learning management system or screencast or YouTube. And the formal term for that is actually exporting. So the way you do that is go to Share, ignore these options for now because those require some integration, and that's a couple of extra steps that we're just not going to worry about. And then select Export, okay? You'll get a menu that comes up, and you'll see that my suffix has changed to .mp4, which is what I want. That's a video file that's widely recognized and playable in multiple programs that I can use to share this video, my finished final project. You can move this, okay, and I think there's a similar option on the Windows computer. Again, these don't look exactly the same, but the options are similar and the concepts are the same. I usually just leave the file size where it is. If you make it too high of quality, it's going to take forever to upload to YouTube, and if you make it too small, it might corrupt some of your sound and video. So I just generally leave it where Camtasia has decided to do it, and select Export. And then you should get a progress bar that comes up. And I won't make you stick around for all of this part, but I'll tune you back in just a couple of minutes when it's done exporting. Okay, so now my export is finished. I'm going to go ahead and close that, and then I will minimize the program, and you will see that right here is my MP4 for that project. For this conference call is what I named the file. That's my file that is ready to upload to YouTube. So I will go ahead and record another video to show you guys how to get that to happen. Again, if you have any questions, please drop us an email or put them in the comments below.